All right, on Dave's Cooking Show today, we have a Mexican cornbread, or at least a Mexican style of cornbread. Real easy to do. Great if this is your first time baking anything. What you want to do is add the content of a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Also, preheat your oven to 350 degrees and grease an 8x8 baking dish. Now, we're going to add 5 large eggs to the mix. And then we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Put on our mixing attachment. Secure the mixer and spin away. And basically, we're going to mix this until it's fairly well mixed. All right, once your batter looks something like this, it's time to add a 1/4 cup of white sugar, a 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, a tablespoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of salt, then you want to mix this around a bit. Then after a bit of mixing, you want to add about a 1/2 cup of butter that you've melted. And then, of course, you want to add 2.5 cups of yellow cornmeal. And it's cornbread. You kind of have to have the cornmeal in there. And then you would basically just want to mix this till this forms a batter. And then you want to pour it into the baking dish. All right, we'll see how it looks. Okay, when the batter takes on about this consistency and look, it's done. It's ready for the baking dish. Unfortunately, I did not get a great shot of the baking dish, but we'll make do with what we've got. And then you want to pop this in for 45 minutes and then do the knife test. If the knife does not run clear, then keep checking every 2 minutes or so. So at least 45 minutes. Okay, so I lined mine with parchment paper. And this thing is basically ready for its 45 minutes in the 350 degree oven. And after 45 minutes, should look something like this. So that's Mexican cornbread. Done.